till now, what we have covered is introduction and the overview of Tableau, why Tableau is being used, what is visualization, what importance of Tableau is there in business analytics. Apart from that, we have also seen data sources and its connection. We have seen how to connect with Excel, CSV, text files, etc. We are yet to explore more upon how to connect R files. We are yet to explore how to connect large amount of data. We'll be seeing that in upcoming sessions. Apart from that, we have also seen many of the charts and we did a lot of manipulative techniques as well. Now, let's move on to the calculations, manipulative techniques, forecasting, how the visualization is done, creating dashboards, storytelling, etc. So in now, what we are going to do in this is we are going to make all these points as an advanced learning. Now, how this advanced learning is going to happen? We have a use case where we'll be seeing some problems. Those problem statements will directly be solved using all these points. Let's go forward and see what are those use case and what are the advanced learning. I mean, what are we going to learn in calculations, manipulative techniques, dashboards, etc., etc. When we talk about advanced learning, so advanced learning is nothing but data preparation and calculations. So this is one of the important part because we need to do some of the other calculations in the data itself while the data is being uploaded or while the data is in working condition. We have already seen how to create new fields, calculated fields, etc. Now we are going to explore some more things in those calculated fields which can be useful for us. Next is analytical approach in Tableau. So analytical approach, how are we going to learn to provide a solution to a problem statement is what the approach we take in Tableau. Then visualization and forecasting in Tableau. Obviously, all the analytical approaches which we are going to summon in one particular visualization. So let's say I want to find X number of sales happened in X number of countries. So what approach I'm going to take? So all those things are based upon the visualization and the forecasting will be done on the similar basis. Grouping and sets formation. So this is one of the important part where, well, let's say we have 21 countries and now we need to group them into the continent basis, right? So in these bases, we create sets, we create groupings, we also do all these animations work so that it is more good in look and feel and for also for the stakeholders who are actually viewing your dashboards and storytelling. Yes, so storytelling is like how we start, how we end, but it's not the matter of start or end, it's matter of the content we are going to put in which format or how we are showcasing it. So we are going to explore all these points today in the advanced learning session.